The relationship between diet and human health extends far beyond basic sustenance, revealing a profound connection where specific foods function as therapeutic agents. This perspective, often termed food as medicine, emphasizes the active role of dietary components in the prevention, management, and overall enhancement of well-being. Certain foods contain bioactive compounds that interact intricately with the body's physiological processes, fostering healing and bolstering resilience against disease. Follow us in this series and discover the power of food as medicine, foods that heal, and remember to like and subscribe. What are berries? This question has two answers, a botanical one and a culinary one. In botany, a berry is a fleshy fruit produced from a single flower with a single ovary. The entire ovary wall ripens into an edible pericarp. By this strict definition, grapes, currants, tomatoes, cucumbers, eggplants, and even bananas and avocados are true berries. In common language, berry refers to any small, pulpy, and edible fruit. They are typically juicy, rounded, brightly colored, sweet, sour, or tart, and do not have a stone or pit, although many pips or seeds may be present. This is the definition most people use. Fruits like strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are not true botanical berries, but are called aggregate fruits. For the purpose of this answer, we will focus on the common culinary definition. A list of common types of berries. Here is a list of popular berries consumed worldwide: strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, red, black, and golden, blackberry, cranberry, gooseberry, currant, black, red, and white, elderberry, acai berry, goji berry, also known as wolfberry, sea buckthorn berry, lingonberry, and bilberry, which is the European blueberry. Berry cultivation is widespread, with specific berries thriving in particular climates. Strawberries. China is the world's largest producer, followed by the United States, primarily California and Florida, Mexico, Turkey, and Spain. They are grown globally in temperate regions. Blueberries. North America is the native continent and leading producer, with the United States and Canada dominating the market. Poland, Germany, and more recently, countries like Peru and Chile have become major producers. So, let's talk about where some of these popular berries are grown. Raspberries and blackberries. Well, Russia is actually a major producer of raspberries, followed by Mexico, Poland, Serbia, and the United States. Now, cranberries are a bit different since they have some really specific growing requirements like acidic peat bogs. The vast majority of cranberries are grown in North America, specifically in the U.S. states of Wisconsin and Massachusetts, and also in the Canadian provinces of Quebec and British Columbia. Moving on to acai berries, these are native to the Amazon rainforest and are primarily grown in Brazil. And finally, goji berries are mostly cultivated in the Ningxia region of China. Berries are, honestly, nutritional powerhouses. Their health benefits are extensively documented and are largely attributed to their high concentration of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and potent bioactive compounds. The vibrant colors of berries are a clear indication of their rich phytochemical content. The primary compounds responsible for their health benefits are polyphenols, especially a subclass called flavonoids. Anthocyanins, for example, are pigments that give berries their red, blue, purple, and black hues. Blueberries, blackberries, blackcurrants, and elderberries are exceptionally rich in anthocyanins. There are also flavonols such as quercetin and myricetin, and flavonols including catechins, which you might also find in green tea. Tannins, like L-argitannins and proanthocyanidins, contribute to the astringent taste of some berries, like cranberries. Then you have phenolic acids, such as ellagic acid, which is abundant in raspberries and strawberries. And don't forget, berries are excellent sources of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant, as well as vitamin K, manganese, and dietary fiber. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many modern diseases, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and arthritis. Berries are actually one of the most effective anti-inflammatory foods out there. The polyphenols in berries, particularly anthocyanins, exert powerful anti-inflammatory effects. They work by down-regulating inflammatory pathways in the body. More specifically, these compounds can inhibit the activation of the NF-kappa B pathway, which is a key protein complex that controls DNA transcription and the inflammatory response. By inhibiting NF-kappa B, berries reduce the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines like TNF-alpha and IL-6. Also, some compounds in berries have been shown to inhibit cyclooxygenase, or COX enzymes, which are the same targets as NSAID drugs like ibuprofen. The health of your gut is, honestly, fundamental to your overall well-being, and berries play a crucial role in supporting it. Berries are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber. Now, this fiber isn't digested by the human body, but instead acts as a prebiotic, providing food for beneficial gut bacteria like Bifidobacterium and Lactobacillus. As these helpful bacteria ferment the fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs, such as butyrate, propionate, and acetate. Butyrate, in particular, is the primary energy source for the cells lining your colon, helps maintain the integrity of the gut lining, preventing what's sometimes called leaky gut, and also has strong anti-inflammatory effects. Berry polyphenols also directly influence the gut microbiota. They can inhibit the growth of pathogenic bacteria while promoting beneficial species. The gut bacteria, in turn, metabolize these complex polyphenols into smaller, more easily absorbed bioactive compounds, which honestly just enhances their benefits throughout the body. Scientific research, including human clinical trials, has documented a wide range of health benefits associated with regular berry consumption. Berries are, without a doubt, among the top antioxidant-rich foods. They help neutralize unstable molecules called free radicals, which cause oxidative stress and damage cells, contributing to aging and disease. Cardiovascular health, it's really important. Regular consumption of berries is linked to a lower risk of heart disease. Berries help by reducing blood pressure, lowering LDL, also known as bad cholesterol, and preventing its oxidation, which is actually a key step in plaque formation. They also improve the function of the endothelium, that's the lining of your blood vessels, and reduce markers of inflammation. When it comes to brain health and neuroprotection, the anthocyanins found in berries can actually cross the blood-brain barrier. Studies suggest these compounds can improve communication between brain cells, reduce inflammation in the brain, and even enhance memory and cognitive function. Now, talking about blood sugar control, the high fiber content of berries helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which prevents those sharp spikes in blood sugar and insulin. Some studies also suggest that the bioactive compounds in berries can improve insulin sensitivity. So when it comes to cancer prevention, it's important to remember that while no single food can prevent cancer all by itself, a diet that's rich in berries may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Laboratory and animal studies have shown that berry compounds like ellagic acid and anthocyanins can actually inhibit tumor growth, encourage the self-destruction of cancer cells, what scientists call apoptosis, and even block the formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors, a process known as anti-angiogenesis. Now, about skin health, antioxidants in berries, especially vitamin C, play a big role in protecting the skin from sun damage. They also support collagen production, which is what helps keep our skin firm and elastic. So, to sum things up, berries are not just a tasty fruit but really a powerful medicinal food. Their unique combination of fiber and a wide variety of bioactive polyphenols work together to reduce inflammation, fight oxidative stress, support a healthy gut, and offer protection against a whole range of chronic diseases. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. We'll be bringing you more great foods that heal, so stay tuned.